we're not gonna act like tofu gonna ever taste just like salmon, but it's gonna taste good. It's gonna taste good, huh?
Hi guys, and back to my channel. That Chuckabee with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's make miso salmon tofu bowl with fire roasted vegetables. Let's get started. Alright, first of all, shout out to YouTube for giving me that title, okay? They said, baby, you need to spice up your thumbnails and your titles. I said, okay, baby, I'm gonna listen to mother, okay? So if y'all wonder like, oh, she got a little zesty with her title, I'm gonna start listening to suggestions, okay? The whole title said, I think, miso roasted salmon, you can't believe it's vegan. No, it's vegan. Alright, y'all, we are using soy-free tofu for this recipe. I'm just poking holes in the tofu so that our marinade can really get inside. We're gonna start off with some sesame oil, about 1/4 cup. I lied, that was more like 1/8 cup. This is not authentic miso, but you see it says some kind of concentrate. This is what I got in my fridge, okay? This is what we're gonna use. So we're gonna do about 1/4 cup of this, okay? We're gonna do about 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Because we want this to taste like the sea, we're gonna use our Nelly for Taki, okay? Listen, y'all know how to say it. We using this stuff. I don't really have a measurement for this, but you see, Answer said, girl, that's enough, girl. That's enough, girl. We're gonna throw in about 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Feel free to use soy sauce, but this is what I have. We're gonna throw in about 2 tablespoons of tamari. I'm gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna add some salt and pepper. I don't know why, to be honest, I put the tofu in the bowl before I put the marinade, y'all. I don't know. In my mind, I really wanted the holes to go up through there, okay? We're gonna taste this marinade as well because this is what we're gonna glaze the salmon with afterwards. So we need to taste it to make sure we like it. Ooh, it's already salty, y'all. I'm actually gonna thin it out with some water. Oh baby, that's salty. Let's thin that out with some water. Let's go in with 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna taste it again. See, it's probably that concentrate. Ooh, she is still salty. Good thing I got lemon on deck. All right, so we're gonna squeeze. This is very ripe, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, yes, that's gonna taste good regardless. Okay. Oh, baby, you know, welcome to my channel. Okay, we working with something now. Let's go ahead and transfer this to a shallow dish. So I'm gonna marinate for this for about 20 minutes, and then we will come back. Get you some real miso. 1 tablespoon was 430 milligrams of sodium. This is what made my my marinade super salty. So y'all just get the real stuff. That's my fault. That's my fault. All right, y'all, welcome back. Y'all been gone for a second, but it's been 40 minutes of, I flipped it 20 minutes one way and 20 minutes this way. I want to actually cut this into a salmon shape, but I'm very nervous that I won't be able to do it. So let's just try this out. Probably should have cut it before I marinated, but we're here now. So let's do this way. See now the inside not marinated, but that's okay. We're here now. And then I need to cut like diagonal. I'm gonna hold it up and I'm gonna try to cut diagonal down without cutting my finger off. Okay, wait, I think we got it. Yeah, okay. Okay, there go 1, and now I cut all the marinade off. I cut all the marinade off. Okay, I'm gonna try this one in camera frame. Let me hold it like this. So do this before you marinate, because I literally just cut all my marinade off. Yay! So boom, I'm gonna have to marinate this again. I'm gonna go ahead and cook this one, and we'll let this marinate while this one cooks, so that we at least have a salmon type of shape here going on, okay? But I am still gonna cut this one in half. And we might as well stick the pieces we cut off in there as well, since they were marinated. I'm gonna give it a little grapeseed oil spray. Let's start it. Y'all know I finally got a rice cooker. So let's cook up some basmati rice, because this is what I got. All right, y'all, I'm actually gonna stop the air fryer and let's check on our salmon tofu. All right, let's go ahead and flip this over. I'm gonna taste a piece, but I'm already telling y'all I think I'm gonna add some more marinade so it's not dry out. Here's what we're looking like close up. Woo! All right. God made dirt and dirt don't hurt. No, it do be hurt. Not fishy. Needs more flavor. I was worried about it being salty. Put more marinade on there. Needs more marinade. I'm also gonna put our other pieces in there as well. And I'm gonna squeeze some more lemon on top. So we got 7 more minutes. My bad, y'all. So I actually went ahead and took the salmon out, the first batch, with 2 minutes left, and I started putting it back in the marinade. I said, Aaron, you gotta turn the camera back on, baby. You gotta let the people see. So my bad. I actually do want to taste this little piece right here, the little piece, but the other piece is just sitting right here back in the marinade. Okay, I'm so sorry. It had 2. See, the other ones are still in there. Oh, it's done. My bad. So I'm just gonna flip these over, and we're going to put some more marinade in here. And nobody get upset. I'm not actually fire roasting nothing. It's in the title, but I'm gonna use fire roasted frozen vegetables. Everybody calm down. It's still fire roasted by somebody else. And instead of putting them in the pan, I'm gonna put them in the air fryer too. Y'all wanted me to start using the air fryer, we finna use it. See, Joe roasted these, not me. Joe roasted these. Okay, I got that little piece in my hand this time, okay? Y'all see that? This might be a little salty because, you know, I put it back in the marinade, but let's see. It's going to be with rice and the roasted vegetables, so I think it's all going to balance out. Hold on. Wow. Where'd the salt go? No, what I mean is, how is this not salty? That lemon juice we squeezed on there. It's not salty, y'all. This is good. And I like the texture. Crispy, but not flaky, baby. It's not fish, okay? A nice chew, okay? I'm sorry this looks so gross, y'all, but this won't be the final plating. Everybody calm down. All right, so let's cut it. Look at that, y'all. I don't want to drop it. I don't want to drop it. Crispy on the outside. Okay. I'm gonna eat this piece. Yes. Okay, I gotta stop eating it. I gotta save some for the final presentation. It's only been 2 minutes, but I want to see what the veggies are doing. I've never put veggies in the air fryer before. I don't even use the air fryer, so this is all new to me, okay? There you go. Okay. Okay. And that water from the veggies is getting in the salmon, but I think it'll be all right. We're going to keep it on. We're going to keep it on. Move over, because I don't want all that water in my salmon and my tofu. If the meat eaters is watching, you know they finna be mad. Okay, girl. Do as I say, not as I do. Don't put your veggies in there with the tofu, cause now it's gonna mess it up. But we saw from the other one that what to do. Do that. Don't do. Yep. Ooh, y'all don't get me. I forgot. I started watching clips of Cowboy Carter, y'all. I forgot about my tofu. Ooh, but a very nice crisp. Hold on. That is pretty, y'all. Please don't drop. Please do not drop for the people. Can y'all see that? Ooh, we're gonna put that right on in the marinade like the last ones, okay? Ooh, yes. Put that on in there. Hold on, trust the process. Anybody new? Trust the process, okay? It looks ugly now. We're gonna plate it cute though. All right, and yes, we're gonna season these veggies. Now they have the place to themselves, but I'm gonna let them finish cooking. There's still a lot of water inside. So I'm gonna let them finish cooking a little bit more, and then we'll season either when the time is up or right before the time is up. My rice is done, so let's season that up with my favorite, okay? Along with some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some salt. And because we're so healthy, we're gonna put some hemp seed in here too, okay? Obviously this is optional, but baby, why would I not use it? Okay, bye-bye. All right, y'all, the timer is done. Let's take a look at our veggies. Ooh, they are definitely, okay, we are cooked now. I'm just gonna season over this simple barbecue rub. You don't have to use this, I just have it. You know, it already has a mix of sea salt, black pepper, granulated garlic, onions, sugar, and spice. So pretty much it's just an all-purpose seasoning. So I'm gonna put that on there, mix that on around. I already like the fire roasted taste, which is why I always get this from Joseph. Okay, he be roasting his vegetables just how I like. All right, y'all, we are ready to build our bowl. Okay, here she is, solo dolo. Look at that. I told y'all to trust the process. Trust the process, okay? She was ugly, now she is, oh, I don't even want to mess it up and eat it, but I am. Oh, I am. I don't know what this means, but baby, we did it. Whatever this means. Know the kids be doing this, or did I make it up? I don't know. All right, I'm gonna try it without the squeeze of lemon, but you know that you gotta eat salmon, tofu, whatever you want to call this. I don't think no meat eaters are watching this, because baby, if you troll me in these comments, I'm gonna troll back. Okay, I'm from Decatur. I think that green onion is also gonna set it off. Oh, got a little bit of everything, some rice, some veggies. Okay, smile at it. 10s across the board. 10s across the board. But to give it a higher flavor profile, I'm gonna squeeze that lemon on top. Fresh lemon. Ooh, she is so ripe. Look at that. Ooh. 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 Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Girl, I should be looking at you like that. I'm so sorry. Y'all make this. Y'all make this. I don't even know what the recipe was, but I'm gonna make it again. I'm gonna watch my own video, and I'm gonna make it again. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Let me tell y'all bye, because I'm gonna try not to eat this whole thing, because it's a lot. But if I do, then I did. Let me tell y'all bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Oh, and just in case you new here, I definitely take recipe suggestions. I don't always do them, but I take suggestions. I do take suggestions.